Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your BMW X5 radio. First, gather your essential tools, including plastic trim removal tools and a Torx T20 screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Next, carefully use your trim tools to pry away the decorative trim pieces that surround the radio display, working gently to avoid any damage to your dashboard components. With the surrounding trim removed, your next step is to access the climate control unit. Using your plastic trim tool, gently pry the climate control panel away from its housing. Once it is loose, carefully disconnect all of the electrical connectors from the back of the unit. Be sure to keep track of these connections. Finally, place the climate control unit in a secure, clean location to prevent any accidental damage. Now that the climate control is out of the way, you can clearly see the radio unit. You will find 4 Torx T20 screws holding it in place. Carefully remove each one. Once the screws are out, gently pull the radio unit straight out from the dashboard opening. As you pull it forward, reach behind to disconnect all of the electrical harnesses and the antenna cables from the rear of the radio. Before fully extracting the radio unit, double-check that all cables are completely detached and clear. Once confirmed, you can carefully remove the radio from the dashboard. If you are not immediately replacing it, store the removed unit safely to prevent any damage. Remember, reinstallation is a straightforward process, simply following these detailed removal steps in reverse order to put everything back together securely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.